Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add hashtags on LinkedIn posts. Hashtags are a powerful way to increase your post's visibility and help the right audience discover your content. So let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. This will take you to your LinkedIn feed where you can see updates from your connections and the content being shared across your network. Now that you're logged in, look for the option that says Start a Post. You'll typically find this at the top of your feed, displayed in a box that invites you to share your thoughts. Click on it, and a text editor will open up, giving you space to craft your message. This is where you'll compose the content you want to share with your professional network. In the text editor, go ahead and input your message or post. This could be anything from a professional update, an article you've written, insights you want to share, or even a question for your network. Take your time to write something meaningful and relevant to your audience, as this is what will engage your connections and encourage interaction. Now comes the important part, adding hashtags. To add a hashtag, simply type the hash symbol, which looks like this number sign, followed immediately by a keyword. For example, if you're posting about marketing, you might type hashtag marketing. The keyword should directly relate to the content of your post to ensure it reaches people who are interested in that topic. LinkedIn will even suggest popular hashtags as you type, which can be helpful if you're unsure what to use. Here's a helpful tip to keep in mind when using hashtags. It's best to use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags per post. Using too many can make your post look cluttered and may even reduce engagement. Keep your hashtags specific to your content rather than using broad or generic terms. The more targeted your hashtags are, the more likely you'll reach the audience that truly cares about what you're sharing. Also, avoid using spaces or special characters within your hashtags, as this will break them and they won't function properly. Stick to letters and numbers only. Once you've written your post and added your hashtags, take a moment to review everything. Make sure your message is clear, your hashtags are relevant, and there are no typos. When you're satisfied, click the Post button. Your content will now be published to your network, and anyone following those hashtags will be able to discover it. And that's it. You've successfully added hashtags to your LinkedIn post and made your content more discoverable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.